Hi, I'm Kim Harlington with Caldwell Banker's Team Harlington. This home isn't just move-in ready, it's also lifestyle ready. Let me show you why. Step inside to fresh finishes, a functional layout, and just the right amount of open space to make you feel instantly at home. This home was designed for comfort and connection, whether you're entertaining or just enjoying a quiet night in. From the cozy living area to the beautifully updated kitchen, with 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 modern bathrooms, there's room for everyone and every lifestyle. Now let's talk about this yard. Sitting on an oversized lot, you've got space to relax, play, garden, and yes, there's RV parking and an RV outlet, all ready for your next big adventure. And the location, just minutes from major freeways, shopping, dining, and everything you need, this home truly has it all. It's updated, spacious, and ready for your next chapter. Schedule a private showing today.